Today let us make an interesting honeybee and honeycomb DIY. Welcome to Sparklebox. This is Yamini, and if you want to try such amazing DIYs, then you must definitely visit our website sparklebox.com. You can find grade-wise art and craft kits over there. Grab some interesting kits and explore the creativity in you. Now, let's start our today's DIY. Fun to make? So give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us to get featured in our coming soon videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all!